Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss some important questions from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants, which are there in phase 5 book. Question number 34. Female gametophyte of angiosperms represented by represented by, they are given 4 options: Mucinous, Embryosac, Integument, both A and B. Then what is the female gametophyte? Female gametophyte is nothing but the embryosac. Embryosac is female gametophyte. Where is this embryosac will form? Embryosac is forming in the ovule. This is ovule. In the ovule, embryosac is forming. Okay. This embryosac is also called as female gametophyte. Okay. Answer is embryosac. But what they are given? This is the correct answers. Embryosac is nothing but female gametophyte. What is nucellus? Nucellus is a tissue which is present in the ovule. This is not female gametophyte. Next is integument. Integument is nothing but the outer and inner covering of the ovary. This is not female gametophyte. And both A and B, this is also wrong. So the correct answer is embryosac. Thank you.